how to sell cryptocurrency on Edge wallet. So if you have got a certain crypto on Edge wallet and then you would like to go ahead and then sell that particular crypto, it is quite simple for you to do so. Launch the Edge wallet app and then you simply want to make sure that you sign in to your Edge wallet account. Then right over here you can see the little button that says sell crypto. Tap on the sell crypto button and simply select your region over here and select the means of payment method on how you'd like to receive your crypto. And once you've done that, you can basically tap on the next option right here. So you can simply choose any of these options, then tap on accept button, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically sell the amount of cryptocurrency that you have. You can find how much cryptocurrency you have by coming to the assets option and you'll be able to find them here. That's all it takes for us to basically sell our cryptocurrency on Edge wallet. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.